What is up, guys? No risk, no premium here, and welcome back to another episode of the 2 minute drill. Well, today another ping pong battle between none other than 392, 396. Now had a fake out breakdown in the morning, and then a fake breakdown towards the end of the day as well, where we closed over 391. Now, some important information came out after market. Okay. And it's good to understand information. Basically, the FedEx CEO or CFO, one of the two, came out and said, we're not going to give guidance. Okay. Which is basically implying we're fucked. All right. Just think about it like this. If you can't give guidance and you're a delivery company where you deliver goods to consumers who purchase the goods, and you can't give guidance, what does that imply? Okay. Not as many goods to deliver, which means not as many products consumed. Less consumer spending, weaker the economy. Okay. Don't overcomplicate it. Now, we did gap down in the futures. Right. Futures currently sitting 38.94. Those are December contracts, guys. Any ES level I give is a December contract because we had to roll out from September. But currently at 38.94, right? So we're down about 25 handles. That would put SPX probably about 30. I'd say about 38.75 right now. Okay, so let's see where we open. See where we open. That's big news though, because it tells me this. If you just want to take a look at the daily, we have officially lost the trend line. Okay, officially lost that trend line. Let me get a little closer. Now, since we've officially lost that trend line, you guys see it here, almost like a breakdown and then a retest of it on this. I mean, look at this. Look at this volume shelf. Okay, that tells me the next one underneath is going to be down here 380. I think by tomorrow 380 is definitely possible, but with it being quad witching, okay, and Mopex, shit is going to get interesting. All right. Shit will get interesting. If we gap down, I expect a violent pop to a gap fill. Okay. And I don't see it being an easy path getting down, but we could have a very large down day tomorrow, right? We would basically need to reclaim 39, I'd say about 39.40 to 39.60 for me to believe that the downside is over. That's going to be way up there as we are currently about almost 100 points under that right now. Okay. So tomorrow is simple. Don't trade the open. It's going to be violent and it's going to be ugly. And if you've been getting smoked on the open, just don't fucking do it. Okay. Wait for one of our levels. Okay. If we gap down below 388.42, which was the previous week's low, right? The previous week's low, ooh, as we see here. Okay. Which we bounced off today, right? 388, then bounced up, closed 391, right? So if we gap down below, we hold this 385.6 area. I would expect to pop back up, maybe 380. I would say 390 would be a possible area to get short. Okay. I like that area to get short. That'd be about 39.25 on ES. Okay. That was a level it struggled to get under today. All right. Or this 388 be about 33900 ES. Okay. I'd be looking for a final price target tomorrow of about 380, 378. Okay, which would do what? That would fill this tiny little gap we have right here. You guys all see this? Tiny gap right here. It's hard to see on the weekly. All right. Monthly, zoom out a little bit more here. Okay. Monthly chart. No bueno. Top of this box said reject. Okay. We talked about it, right, on the sermon. I think it was last week. Okay. So if we want to fill this little box down, where do we go? Where do we go? Well, these close and open of these two previous months candles tell me we could go to 376. That'd be about 37.80 ES, roughly. Okay, roughly. If shit gets brutal, we could end the month and get as low as 370. Okay, 370. Lots of puts getting loaded for October. I could think we could make a nice swing towards lows then. Okay. And the reason why I'm sounding probably a little more bearish bias than normal is this. Let me just show you something. We had a 4.5% gap down day. Okay. A $5 pop, $4 pop. That's all we got. We never reclaimed a major support level or previous support, which would be a resistance. We never reclaimed a previous resistance level. So this chart is telling me it's time to go down. Okay. It is definitely time to go down. Now, will they make it easy and straight down? No, because nothing goes straight down, nothing goes straight up. So you still want to respect your levels. Like I do think in the morning, if we hold 385, I think that's a great area to take a scalp long, if that's your strategy. Don't get smoked in the morning, though. A bounce at the beginning of the gap fill is almost destined. I mean, I'm not going to talk in definites, but the R&R at 3,800, right? Or this 380, you know, I like that call. I like that as a bounce area for a scalp. Okay, not saying we reverse, but I like it for a scalp. Okay, I like a reject to 390. Basically, where all these body closes are. Okay, wouldn't surprise me in the least bit. Okay, so for tomorrow, level simple, guys. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. 392 upside. Well, I guess we're at now. We're at SPY's at about 386. 388, 390, 392, 396, 398, 400. 403 if we get froggy. Gap fill takes us all the fucking goddamn way up to I don't know where. 408. Underneath 388, which we are already, takes us 385. Underneath 385, we fall. We fall to 380. 378 if we want the gap fill down, which is also coming here to this trend line I've drawn since the COVID lows. So now we got another trend line at place or at play. Okay, when does that come? You guys see it crossing here. It's this lower one. I might just get rid of this one because it's now I'll do it later. Okay, so if we fall underneath 380 and we could possibly bounce, maybe this candle comes down and bounces up and then we try the actual again. Maybe it's, you know, the following week. Very possible. I don't know, but I think 380 to 378 could definitely be the lows tomorrow. If we close a full body down, Monday will be bad. Monday will be bad. I promise. Okay. So, that's what I got for you guys. All right. Wake up early. Okay. One thing you do want to pay attention to tomorrow at the open is right here. Inflation expectation and consumer sentiment index. Okay. That is by yours truly at the University of Michigan. Go blue. Okay. Didn't go there, but I had some people that I know went there. Anyway, that will produce a little screwball that comes out 30 minutes after open. Okay, that'll give you a little movement, whether it's a huge candle down and brings it back up or a big candle up and brings it back down. Another reason not to trade in the open, because if you don't know the macros that economic data that's coming out, you could get smoked in a position. You could get stopped out. All right. Other than that, guys, that's it. Okay. Wake up early. Okay. Play your support and resistance levels. Get your pre-market highs and lows. Okay. And don't do anything stupid. I'll see you bright and early. Peace.